Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So welcome back mga friendships, and for those who are new, welcome to this channel. And for today's video, I will be testing out a skincare line or a product. And if you have watched my previous videos or my videos, I am such a skincare dedicated person. I really love taking care of my skin. It's because I have a problematic skin or acne prone skin. So every time I do not do anything to pamper my skin or to take care of my skin, it always ends up a disaster. So the next day I would end up seeing like a bumps and itchiness and those nasty stuff. So I always see to it that I take care of my skin every time. So in today's video, I will be sharing to you these 3 products here from Some by Me. Yes, it is their AHA BHA 30 Days Miracle Toner, Miracle Cleansing Bar, and their Miracle Cream. So these 3 will be put into test if they would work on my sensitive acne, prone skin, and problematic skin. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, then let's get started. So by the way, before we really get started, I just wanted to make a disclaimer. So in this video, I will try my best to be talking in English, since for me this type of video is kinda, generates a broader audience. Like it's not really limited only to, like, for example, I am Filipino, so this video is not going to be limited for those who speaks in Tagalog only. So I decided, or I wanted this video to be to generate more larger audience. So bear with me guys if you don't like me speaking in English, and if you don't like this video, are free to look for another video talking about this by me. So please do understand my English, because I am not a native English speaker. English is my third language, I guess, because my number 1 language is Bisaya, because I am from Cebu, and the next is Tagalog, and the third is English. So I hope you understand, or be considerate when I speak in English. So yeah, with that being said, then let's get on with this video. So now that we cleared the air about me talking in English, so now let's really get started. So I filmed this video actually, or these clips, because I have filmed a clip of me trying out this the Some by Me product. So actually I filmed this last year, but I just didn't have the chance or the time to do or edit this. It's because I was just so busy at the time. So but at least I really had the chance to really test this product out. So for those who watched my video about the Japanese skincare that had worked for me, that had helped my problematic skin after I've used the Sana skincare, you may be wondering why I am searching again, or why am I trying another skincare line again when that product worked on me. It's because the reason is, it's because I use the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. If you have been watching my video, and if you have watched that video on the Colgate Optic White, that toothpaste gave me acne, a lot of breakouts and congestion here on my mouth area, on my jawline. So then although I tried all those Japanese skincare products that I mentioned in the video, but it's not that strong enough to really take care of my problems here on my chin areas. So then I went to the internet and started to look for something that has AHA, BHA, because I know AHA and BHA will really work on my very problematic acne prone skin, congested skin, because I already tried products before that has AHA and BHA, and it has really made wonders on my problematic skin at the time. So now I am going to read to you what is written here on the box or on the packaging itself and what it claims to be. So let's start first with the cleansing bar. This is the AHA, BHA, PHA 30 days miracle cleansing bar from Some By Me. This has real tea tree, 10,000 ppm. I don't know what that means, but this one also has niacinamide 2%, all natural. So it says here that it has pore care, brightening, and moisturizing. AHA, BHA, and PHA works as effective exfoliator to leave skin cleaner and more radiant than before. So yeah, 30 days. So this is how the toner looks like also, and it has the same ingredients with the soap, niacinamide, AHA, BHA, PHA. Yeah, it says the same. It also says here that it's non-comedogenic, tested skin exfoliating ingredients, dual functionality, approved by KFDA, and has a low pH. Yeah. So the next one is this Miracle Cream, and the only difference I guess with this one is that it has centella 70%. So centella, as what I've read it in the internet, that this helps with acne or breakouts or congestions on the skin. So I'm pretty much excited to try this one because it has centella 70%. Dermatologist tested. So this is how the cream looks like. So the three here suggested that you will use this for 30 days. So it will make your skin brighter, moisturized, and it helps also with the pores after using this for 30 days. So that is why I try this for 30 days. So now finally I will be showing to you the clips on the days where I started to use this, before I started using, how my skin looks like before I started using the Some By Me skincare line, and then first week, second week, third week, and etc. So here's the clip. So this is our starting point. I don't have a lot of congestions here anymore, so we go to the other side. So my face is pretty clear on this side, but I do have a very big friend over here, and this one, ang tagal-tagal na nito. It's been like 2 weeks pero hindi pa rin siya completely nawala, and I don't know why. I have some pores going on here on my nose and also on my cheek area here. Large pores going on, but mainly my concern is my congested skin. Yeah, I still pretty have a little here, and I wanted to remove this completely. Hello fans, so today is Saturday, and today is the second week of me using the Some By Me toner and face cream. So let's do a check sa ating pagmumukha, guys. And as you can see, look at my face. I feel like yung ginamit ko pala is yung toner today, the moisturizer, and my sunscreen from Kose, which is their tone up. But I feel like my skin looks brighter today. Yeah, I find. And pasensya na sa lighting natin. It's because makulimlim sa labas. So as you can see here, my face looking pretty good. No new congestions happening kasi yun nga, 'di ba, AHA, BHA yun, PHA, tapos may niacinamide na 2% din. Yung sa gitna ng week, medyo may lumabas na pimples dito. I guess it's just the reaction of the product kasi 'di ba, kakagamit ko lang. Usually there is a reaction, skin reaction whenever you try something new on your skin. There's always something like that. So don't be troubled, guys, kasi nangyayari yan at between 2 weeks yung nagre-react yung skin mo sa bagong product na nilalagay mo sa kanya. So I have on the midweek, meron ako, but
Yeah, I noticed it mga Wednesday or something, basta gaya midweek. And then today is Saturday, like I've said, and medyo nawala naman siya, hindi siya lumaki talaga. So I think it's just a reaction. And then I also have a pimple here, and then nawala lang din siya. So eto luma, but paunti-unting lumiliit. Ayan, so far so good on the Some By Me. And with my nose, still have, you know, yung mga malalaki kong pores dito sa nose. And then I feel like here, medyo okay naman. Still not very visible yung difference ng aking pores here sa aking cheek area.
Hello Fwenships! So today I'm gonna do a second week update on the Some By Me Miracle Toner and Miracle Cream. So I'm gonna show you right now how my face is looking like. So yeah, I have this bumps here. It's because it's almost the time of the month, and that usually happens. And also I have been drinking coffee, and then I was trying a new or a different creamer. So this what happens usually if I drink something that has dairy. This happens, and that is something new, so my skin is new to it. But on this side it's pretty smooth. Yeah. And on my nose, I don't know if you could tell from the camera, but my cheeks area looks so good, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. If I'm going to compare this from the start, definitely today is looking amazing, and it's only been a second week and my skin looks pretty darn clear and, you know, tight. Although I'm not really expecting super tight skin or yung poreless talaga. Yeah, I really like my second week result. My forehead looks amazing. Hey friends, so I'm back with another update to you all. Excuse the clutter at the back. Oh, ganyan na lang kasi ano. And sorry then if the lighting looks so weird today because it's raining and I cannot help it. Wala na akong magagawa. Umuulan talaga siya buong week. So, but I needed to do this update. So yun nga, we are going to do a third week update on the Some By Me Miracle Toner and Miracle Cream. So this is how my face is looking like. Maybe you have noticed on this area here that I have a lot of friends going on. It's because it is the time of the month. Eto nga, it's the time of the month kaya marami sila. And then let's check the other side of the face here. If you've notice, di ba, yung sa mga first week ko na gumamit or before ko siya nagamit, marami ako, I talk about having a lot of whiteheads and blackheads here, yung mga small bumps. But I don't know if you could tell now that kasi if I touch it, wala nang, ano, I don't feel anything bumpy on the right side of my face. And while on the other side of thy face, medyo marami sila dito. But right now, ano na, medyo smooth na ang aking face dito, guys. These are pimple marks left. So, I'm pretty much happy with my third week using this Some By Me. Yeah, because I don't have any bumps here as well. And also, if you've noticed, my cheek area, oh my god. Yeah. It looks a little, it looks plump here and hindi masyadong visible ang aking pores. And like if I'm going to compare this nung yung simula talaga ng video ng ano pala testing or review na to, grabe. Tsaka yung nose area ko. My nose here is looking pretty good for me. Sana nakikita nyo. Hi guys, so today is going to be the fourth week of using the Some By Me Miracle Toner, Miracle Cream, and pasensya na for dye face. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how is my skin is looking like. So I don't know if you can tell, but my skin is really looking pretty clear, guys.
From last week, I have a very big bumps over here. But as you can see, after a week, it has, subsided dramatically. Ayan. And on this area, I don't have, I know, it looks so smooth already. Like my blackheads and whiteheads. Let's do an up close. Ayan. It looks pretty smooth. After the 4th week, we're almost there. Overall, the face is looking super bright and clear and not clogged anymore. Hey friends, so today is going to be a 5th week update using the Sound by Me Miracle Toner and Miracle Cream. And this is how our face is looking like. And also, I started to use the Miracle soap. Yeah, Miracle Cleansing Bar from them as well. So I started using this one last Wednesday. So today is Saturday, and so I just started using this last Wednesday. So I'm gonna show you quickly my face, how it's looking like. From the monitor, I could see that my face has really been improving. I don't know if you could notice the texture of my face, guys, but it looks more brighter. And if you've noticed this side here, from before, diba? This has a lot of whiteheads and blackheads, but I don't know if you've noticed, but it is so smooth and clear. And texture wise, my skin is really improving so much. And also on this side, as you can see, today is exactly the 30th day using this one from Some by Me. Oh my god, I already reached the 30-day challenge, and so far I still have product. The toner, I still have the toner. The toner really lasted more than a month, like more than 30 days, because I still have like how many uses, 3 day more uses. Yeah. And also the cream, I think I'm still halfway from the cream. I think it would last me 60 days because you really need very little of the cream. Now we are going to add this one, this Miracle bar. They have this one as also niacinamide 2%. And for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it's been 3 days that I've been using this one, and I've noticed that my skin feels a little drier, I guess, if I'm going to compare just by using my favorite cleanser here in Japan. This does made my skin a little drier if I'm going to compare. But I don't know if you can see some new breakouts here. I don't know if it's the soap that is causing this one or it's Rookie's beard. Yeah, usually if his beard touches, because he kissed me and then his beard touched my side of the face here and also here, so I have a new breakout here. So I don't know if this one, my skin was purging from this one because I just recently used this bar soap from them.
So guys, as you have seen from the clips, my result was just amazing. I am so satisfied with my 30-day result with the Some by Me toner, cleansing bar, and the moisturizing cream. So I'm just going to quickly go over to you what happened on the first week, the second week, the third, and the fourth. So on the first week, I started to notice that my skin is purging a little, so I experienced a new breakouts. But after that, after the first week, on the second week, I started to notice that my bumps are going away, and then my pores looks clearer, no congestion. Yeah, on the second week, it was I was really surprised to notice that difference from the beginning or from the start of using this one. So I have really seen some progress on the second week, and on the third week, the bumps on the side of my face has really improved so much. That's so amazing, guys. I do not expect that such product will work, because usually purging takes a lot of time, 2 weeks or more, roughly like that, if you have sensitive skin. But for me, it has, day by day, I see a lot of improvements of my skin. My bumps are gone. And then what's interesting is that I have sensitive skin. I thought that AHA, BHA, PHA, and niacinamide will be too strong for my skin, but it's not, guys. It's gentle enough but strong enough to really combat my acne here on my chin and on other side of my face. So I am so pleased with that result. And then on the fourth week, oh, my skin looks really amazing compared from where we started. I am so pleased and happy on my fourth week. But also on the fourth week, I also tried, or ongoing fifth week, I also tried the soap, because at first I did not use the soap right away. On the first, second, third, I only used my regular cleansing foam, which is the, I forgot, I'm just going to post the picture of it because I forgot the name of the one. So I was using that facial foam. And then on the fourth week, I started to try the soap. But the soap, I don't really like it that much, because I feel like it's too drying on my skin. Although I have oily skin, but since I am already in my mature skin, I am already in my late 30s, so I still really need something, like especially on a cleansing foam or soap, I really still need something that is a little moisturizing, not drying, if I'm going to compare on my skin on my teen years or on my 20s. My skin, even though it is oily, it still needs hydration and moisturization. So on the soap, it's good, but it's not my favorite. So actually, I have been using this up until now. That video was filmed roughly around November or October last year. So now it's already August, and up to now, because I am so impressed, I am so pleased, I am so happy with this, not this one, with this two. So up to now, I still use this one to help with my acne, because if I don't use this, the next day I will most probably have a new friend here. So if you ask me if I recommend this one from Some by Me, I highly recommend this too, especially the toner and the Miracle cream. This one, if you have the soap, if you still in your teens or in your 20s, yeah, you could get away with this one. But if you're like me, who are already in the mature skin side, definitely highly recommend this one. This is gentle enough and effective enough to combat your adult acne, guys. I highly recommend this. So I think that's it for today's video, and if you have any questions, or if you have already tried, or if you have any experience while using the Some by Me toner, cream, and soap, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below, because other people may be interested in your experiences. They may have experienced not the same with me. Yeah, so definitely make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. So once again, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that this has helped you, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!